we do some tricks with our cat, and we're going to, I'm going to show you them now. Okay, ready? You ready? Can you turn around? Good girl. 1 and 2. Beautiful. Good job. Wave to the audience. Wave. Good girl. Oh, grab it. All right. High five. High five. Yeah, that's a good girl. Good job. Good job. Can you shake? Good job. All right, let's do another turnaround. Ready? Turn around. 1, 2. Very nice. Okay, stand up. Stand up. Stand up. There you go. Good job. All right. Can you lay down? Lay down. Good girl. That's good enough for me. That's good enough for me. Are we finished?